What is going on, everybody? This is your boy the Goat Andy Czar, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell to receive a notification every time I drop a new video. You already know, man. There's VS, there's E, VSOP, and there's X, and I'm the XO Forex King of Prize Action. If you didn't know that, it's Goat Andy tapping in. So yes, sir. Guys, but I know you guys love some chart work. I know you guys love the parsings and all that type of stuff. So literally, guys, we're gonna be getting into how I made 7% on my funded account at that time. Currently, guys, I'm up 20%. So I'm literally gonna show you everything that's been happening and all that type of stuff. And hopefully that you guys enjoy the video and you really understand where entirely this whole thing is coming from. So literally, guys, I'm about to show you right now. So literally, I'm going to show you how I passed my phase 1 and also how I passed my phase 2 and where I'm at with my funded account right now. And literally, you guys are going to love this video. So stick around with me and let's get to it. So as you can see right now, guys, I'm on my phase 1. So I'm going to show you how I passed it. At the same time, I'm going to show you the trades I took to pass it. So as you can see on the screen right now, I passed this challenge trading US 30 and GBP AUD. So US 30 gave me about close to $8,000, and then GBP ARD gave me about $4,000 each. So if you can look at it, the first trade that we took, we literally failed. We literally lost $8,000, and then US 30 made us recover, and then GBP AUD made us to pass. So as you can see, if I scroll down here, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. You can see the first start of the account, we lost about $4,000, and then we lost that $4,000, and then at the same time we made $2,000 on each position on US 30, and then we furthermore made a lot of money on GBP AUD, as you can see. So that's how we managed to hit the target of $8,000 as our first profit. And then you can see here it was $8,241 that made us pass the challenge. And then you can see the trades after that, it was just to complete the phase minimum trading days, which is 5. So now let's go to US 30 and then and GBP AUD, so that you guys can see why, how I passed it. So as you guys can see right here, so the US 30 buys came from seeing this type of nature. So as you can see, from this level point, I marked my areas right there, and then I knew that, okay, we just had a descending structure, so it's gonna happen that the market, if it breaks above, we literally get a chance for us to continue with it up. But I remember when I look at an hour, I entered somewhere on the break of structure. I mean, somewhere right about here. That is when we actually copped our profit, because I was like, okay, so if the market literally it did this and it came here to respect this level, then it wouldn't be wrong to capture this trade from here and then go with it. I think I was out somewhere right about here, because obviously the target was not to like swing the trade. US 30, guys, it could be a mess if it wants to. So I try by all means to make sure that I swing it. And then that is how literally this happened on US 30. And then GBP AUD, you guys are gonna see the position. Let's go to a daily time frame. And when I go to a daily time frame, let's go in a 4 hours. So entirely what I saw was the fact that the market actually created this structure right here, and then it was respecting this level area right here. And then I think this trade was somewhere right about here when I took it, because I saw this as a double top type formation right here. This was a double top. Also here it was a double top. So I think I took that sell somewhere right about here. So you can see here I was also looking for some opportunities. I actually calculated it like this and that, and then as well I was like, if the market breaks below then spikes back up, I could consider this area right here as a sensitive area for me to have a new entry. So that is how I actually passed this challenge. But also the risk appetite as well was a little bit high. That is how I managed to pass phase 1. So I passed phase 1 with 2 trades. Obviously I had losses on Euro JPY, of which if I go to Euro JPY, the first trade I ever took on Euro JPY, it was when the market reached right somewhere right about here, and I thought it's going to sell, and it continued to buy. So that's when I lost the trade, and then I had to recover, and US 30 made me cover, and then finally passed with GBP AUD. And then going to phase 2, as you can see, guys, it also says passed And then how we passed this challenge was literally so dumb, because we passed it with only one trade, which was gold. So gold gave me the entire $5,000 that was needed for this challenge. And then the rest of the trades that I've been taking, it was just to complete the trading days that we wanted. And as you can see, passed two-step evaluation, #2, that means phase 2. And then you could see we actually hit it right here. 5% of the trade, we hit $5,072. And then the minimum, the overall loss was $12, and then the daily loss was $5,000. And then we literally hit that take profit right there with gold alone. So let me show you how I literally passed with one trade on this challenge. So how I literally passed with this challenge, I'm just gonna go in a 4-hour time frame, because I remember I passed with the sell. So the market was literally somewhere right about here, if I remember properly. It was somewhere right about here, and I saw this descending structure right here. I'm just gonna remove these for now. I saw this descending structure, and if you can go on a 1-hour time frame, you would see how the actual breakout happened. So I was like, okay, so this is a descending structure. We actually just hit right here, and as we hit right there, all I need to do is just to, you know, put my, as you can see, even this trend line has an order right here, an alert. So this alert was set mainly because I wanted the market, as soon as it hits here, it triggers me and then it goes down. So literally the market did that, and then the market literally triggered me on this position. And I think I was out somewhere right about here, because I was not that I was doubting. When it comes to passing challenges, guys, you don't really chase to make a bigger bag, because at the end of the day, the truth is you just want to pass. The target that you hit, it's what you stick with. So I think I hit the target as soon as the market got here, because it was literally running smoothly, but it took a lot of days, guys. I think it took about 2 days. Yeah, it took about 2 days for it to be here. And then I was patient enough for it to hit the take profit. And then that's how I passed my phase 2. So now to the funded account. So with the funded account, you can actually see, guys. So you can see this is now 100K two-step standard funded. And then it's actually active as we speak. And you can see it was a roller coaster trading this account. When I started it, I drew down $4,000. I increased with $7,000, left it because I didn't want to trade, but I felt like I was waiting too long because my payout is on the 29th. So I stood with it. I was like, I got bored and I was like, no, I'm not trading. I tried trading. I dropped again to $97,000. And then eventually, guys, I increased to $18,000. So we literally up about 19% on this account. As you can look at it, we are literally up about 19%. As you can see, we only traded this account 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We only traded this account for 5 days, but not obviously. As you can see, the first time I traded it, I made $39, which was weird. And then the second time I lost, the third time I lost, the fourth time I lost, and then the fifth time I made $21,000 from this trade. And then, as you can see, man, it was really a roller coaster. I don't want to lie to you guys. It was really a roller coaster. So I'm gonna show you as well that on a withdrawal, you can see, guys, literally withdrawal profit, it's 18,992. Profit share, it's 90%. Client payout, I'm gonna be paid out $17,000.93, and my payout date is on November 29th. So I'm also gonna be showing proof, guys, when I'm being paid out, as I've been doing with every prop firm, where as soon as I get my payout, the video of a payout, the proof that I received it, how I withdrew it, when it clocks to my bank account, and when I officially receive it, I'm gonna do the same thing. And as you guys do know, man, how I do this whole thing. So if they don't pay out, I'm still gonna talk about it, that they didn't pay me out, they didn't do this, they didn't do that. As you guys were asking if it's legit, so we only gonna find out when I get my payout if it's really legit or not. But either or, you guys do know what's going on. This is your boy the GOAT, Andy Lizard. Hopefully you love this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. You already know what's going on. This is your boy the GOAT, Andy Lizard, guys. I can't wait to share my payout with you and prove legitimacy. So even if they don't pay me out, then fight a lot. Because in most of the time, prop firms, when you make such a high percentage from a small account, they kind of give you problems. So we literally gonna check if they'll give me problems or not. But if they are good, I'm gonna prove it with the payout I'm gonna receive on the 29th. So expect the video after the 29th talking about if I'm paid out or if I'm expecting problems. And if there's problems, we know it's a scam. But if there's no problems, we know it's legit. So you already know what's going on. This is your boy the GOAT, Andy Lizard. Gang.